Okay guys, we'll start outside today. Nothing from the hyacinth beans on the bottom right corner there, but the orange bulb are coming on nicely. Loads of herbs enjoying the sun at the moment, ready for next week. Just brought these Swede out to give them a dunking. More herbs getting a tan. And some of the tomatoes ready to go. Running out of space, so there's a lot of tomatoes on the floor as well. Just potted up some more Market More and Green Dragon cucumbers. And a few spare achochas, Bolivian cucumbers. Cape gooseberries on the right there, and a few more cucumbers to do. Those are the gherkin type ones. Aubergines at the back behind the chair. More tomatoes, aubergines, sweet potato. My achochas, yeah. Loads of brassicas. Yeah, more herbs. Almost at the end of these now. The mint are very, very slow, very slow. More brassicas down there. Loads of French type beans, dwarf and climbing at the bottom. Spring onions. I tell you what, I'm not very impressed with these this year. And got some Corsican mint at the front there for me. So running out of room, we've had to move a lot of stuff out the front garden. There's some chilies. All these cucumbers being picked up in an hour's time. And we got some basils out here in the veggie pod just sitting there. Cool, let's have a quick look at the veggie pod while we're here actually. Well, not looking too bad. Nigel's beans, the Ferrari, much quicker than my Faraday. And I actually put a second sowing in there. Not much left in the Vitapod downstairs in the shed now. A few tomato stragglers and a second sowing type of, I think it's Gardener's Delight and Moneymaker or something like that. Yeah, they are. Someone's just cranked the music up for the bank holiday, so I hope this is okay. Microgreens, tomatoes under the Spider Farmer SF1000, which is turned down to 30 now, look. Top row, microgreens, peas. They're still stacked, some of the peas. Tomatoes. Sweet peppers, basket of fire. Along the top, loads of microgreens. We've got some herby type things ready to be posted tomorrow. More tomatoes. Tumbling toms at the back, ready to be potted up today. Loads of beans in the big cells. A couple of chilies, my special variegated, lovely one that is. Microgreens, Fletcher's marigolds, a few climbing type flowers, and the ones that's germinated there, 115, is the cardinal climber. Down the bottom here, a couple more waiting to germinate, kohlrabi type things. Celeria, I think, and there's I'll tell you what, look at these mealworms. They have hungry so-and-sos, they love the carrot, look. Some of these are going to pupate soon, so I have to get rid of them. Well, Robin's going to have to eat them. Right, moving along, we've got those red amaranth, and they lovely colour. Tall chilies at the back, long chilies at the back, being potted up today. More microgreens. Lettuce, let me have a quick look at the sheet for this. Lettuce, melon, kohlrabi in there, in the Agrilan. Microgreens, mustard and cress mix, that one there, look. In this Agrilan, we got the RZ lettuce. Seeds are 5 years old now, so I'll be getting rid of those. Some more tomatoes. Herbs down here, waiting to go outside today. Right, over here then, we've got some beetroot on the left and the 12 cells on the right. Nasturtiums. Packeted seeds from a garden centre. Tom Thumb nasturtium, not a single one germinated. And that has been, let me check my sheet now. 102. Planted on the 26th of the 4th. And some more beetroot there. And again, erratic germination, so I'll do a second sowing of those anyway. I was too, because I like beetroot. Okay, upstairs. Okay, upstairs Vitapod. Not much left in here now. Just half a dozen cucumbers, but the rest will be joining them later on. Well, that's it, guys. What is it now? 6th of May. Tell you what, this year is flying by for me. I can't keep up. Hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Look after yourselves. Catch you soon.